Hello, my name is Leslie Ohnstad. Welcome to my channel, and I want to thank you for joining us at the Abundance of Color Spring Educational Event. In this event, you have 16 premier live videos where you get an opportunity to chat with your favorite artists, like, subscribe, and most importantly, comment to have the opportunity to have your name in the drawing for one of the 16 prizes that we are giving away on the channels. In addition, each of the artists will be giving away a secret word or two as a clue. You form those words together in a secret phrase, and it enters you in the $400 shopping spree. In addition, I want to mention that we are continuing with the warehouse expansion sale. We are raising capital in order to increase our product line, raise our optimization on our website, and get more organized for 2023 and bring you new products for this year. This is your one time to be able to take advantage of a deep discount that we will never give again. We have made it a little bit easier for you by offering Klarna, a 4-pay system that is available in the United States and Europe. And as this video is being recorded, we are also installing ClearPay, which is available for Canada and all the other countries that aren't in Europe. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use a brand new product called PolyFiber. It is a fibrous paper coated with polyethylene. It's like a polymer coating that when heated, face color side down between parchment paper, it will form beautiful texture similar to dragon skin. Some of the smaller areas beat up like little tiny clusters of gems that you can put as the center of your resin pieces, molds. I see it in alcohol inks. So what we're going to do in a couple of weeks is we're going to announce a contest. We want you guys to play with this stuff and show us every way you can come up with using this product. In the contest, we will be having a grand prize winner, one first prize winner, a second prize winner, and 2 third prize winners. Look for contest details to be announced on the website and be announced in email campaigns coming out in the next couple of weeks. We only have 150 packets of these, so I suggested that you get them soon. Yes, we will order more, but we really want to see what you guys can do with the PolyFiber. It is beautiful with anything that sparkles. I've used it on the prism pour. I've used it with the vivid, intense opal and metallic colors. So we just want to see what you guys come up with as far as putting your creativity to this. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining us, and let's get started with the Color Abundance event. I applied the Vivid Intense, Diamonds and Pearls, and Blue Opal to the fiber paper. Spread the color over the paper with a brayer. Place a second sheet of the PolyFiber paper on top of it. Brayer together, distributing the paint on both sheets. Pull the 2 sheets of the PolyFiber apart. Dry the paint with a blow dryer on a low setting. Place the PolyFiber paper, colored side down, between a folded sheet of parchment paper. Keeping the paper flat with the ColourArte square swiper tool in my right hand, I heated the poly paper with a heat gun in my left hand. The swiper tool conducts the heat and allows you to create texture without the polyfiber paper curling up. Let's have a look and see how the texture is beginning to form. Continue heating until the entire sheet has been textured. Look how the color in the small beds look like clusters of little gems. I continued to heat the paper, adding just a little bit more texture. Now let's add a little contrast. I applied a few drops of Vivid Intense Phthalo Blue Red shade. Next, I spritzed the paint with a little bit of water and spread the color around with a paintbrush. Using a paper towel, I mopped up the top of the texture, leaving the darker color down in the veins and the small little beds. Next, I added a second color, the Indigo Blue Black, also in the Vivid Intense line. After it was completely dry, I highlighted the tops of the texture by rubbing on some interference blue. If you're going to cut your polyfiber, it's best to follow and cut in the shape of the texture. And here is a close-up of the blue opal polyfiber. It is just beautiful. So in this section, I did a different color combination. My base colors are Vivid Intense, red and gold opal. The highlight color is Interference Violet. And then I added a little bit more sparkle by brushing some sparkle gold and the Bling It Diamond red in the veins and the very small pockets. And here are the final results of the golden red polyfiber texture. Thank you for watching. Next up is Tiffany Remijn. And remember to like, subscribe, and share, and most importantly, comment if you want to be entered in the contest.